Hello everyone, this is Priti Tikas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department. Today we have to going to learn cables used for distribution lines. Learning outcomes are definition of cable, classification of cable, construction of cables and properties of insulation used in cable. This is the image of cable. What is cable? An electrical cable is an assembly of one or more wires running side by side or bundled, which is used to carry electrical current. Cable is used for distribution and transmission lines. Classification of cable. The cables classify into two categories according to cable or according to the voltage level, and second one is according to the number of core. First one is according to cables or voltage level. The low tension cable, their voltage range up to 1000 volt or 1 kV. High tension cable, their voltage range is 11 kV. Super tension cable from 22 kV to 33 kV. Extra high tension cables from 33 kV to 66 kV, and extra super voltage cable beyond 132 kV. And second one is according to number of cores. Single core cable, two core cable, or it is also called as double core cable, three core cable and four core cable. So these are the classification of cables. Next is construction of cable. So diagram shows the different layers of construction of cable. First layer is paper insulation. First layer is conductor. Second layer is paper insulation. Third layer is lead sheet. Next is beading. Next one is armoring, and last one is serving. So first layer is conductor. The conductor are made up of aluminium or copper and generally strained to afford flexible for pulling or line. Second is insulation. The material used may be rubber insulation, impregnated paper, varnish cambric, etc. The thickness of insulation is decided according to how much voltage it has to withstand. Next is metallic sheet, or it is also called as a lead sheet. Metallic sheet. The metal sheet either of aluminium or generally lead surrounds the insulation. This protects the conductor and insulation from moisture, acid, etc. Next layer is beading. In order to avoid corrosion of aluminium or lead sheet, the sheet is wrapped or covered with the hessian tape or jute fiber material. The next is armoring. This is possible of damage the cable during handling, pulling or line. In order to avoid this or protect the cable, one more layer in the form of the round galvanized steel wire or strip or tape is provided, is called as armoring. And last layer is serving. It is a layer of impregnated hessian tape. It provides the protection to prior layer, that is armoring. So this is the construction of cable, and these are the different layers of cable. Next is property of insulation used in cable. So following are the properties are required in the insulation. First one is the resistivity. It should be as high as possible to avoid the leakage current. Second is dielectric strength. The dielectric strength should be higher. This avoid the electrical breakdown of cable. Next is high tensile strength. It should be capable of withstanding mechanical injuries while working the cable. It should not be get damaged or break. Next is non-inflammable. It should be not inflammable and possibly fireproof. Next is cost. Cost is very important and it is always be cheaper, so the system is affordable. And last one is it has a high thermal conductivity. So these are the properties of insulation used in the cable. Thank you.